Stack up. I stack up the folded clothes neatly. Pump. I pump some hand wash into my palm. Recline. I recline on the sofa after a tiring day. Turn on. I turn on the lights because the room is dark. Roll up. I roll up the blinds to let sunlight in. Plug in. I plug in my phone before going to bed. Wind up. I wind up the cord of the hair straightener after use. Sob. I sobbed after hearing the bad news. Dribble. I dribble the ball during football practice. Untangle. I untangle my earphones before listening to music. Bump. I bumped my head on the cupboard. Spill. I accidentally spilled the tea all over the table. Winnow. I winnow the wheat to remove the husk. Chug. I chug a bottle of water after the race. Scrape. I scrape the carrot before cooking. Gaze. I gaze at the stars, amazed by how bright they are. Smash. I accidentally smashed the plate. Take out. I take out the trash after lunch. Knead. I knead the dough before making bread. Stir. I stir the tea to mix the sugar. Rinse. I rinse my hands before dinner. Buy. I buy groceries every Saturday. Nibble. I nibble a biscuit with my tea. Gulp. I gulped my tea because I was late for work. Tilt. I tilted my head and smiled at him. Sip. I sip my tea slowly on a bright morning. Clip. I clip my nails every weekend. Hug. I hug my friend when I see her. Itch. I itch the mosquito bite on my arm. Slurp. I slurped my noodles quickly because I was so hungry. Tie. I tie my shoelaces before going for a walk. Squint. I squint my eyes because of the bright light. Bend down. I bend down to arrange the blocks. Wash. I wash the dishes after every meal. Slam. I slammed my finger in the drawer and it really hurt. Wipe. I wipe the counter to remove water spots. Pick up. I pick up the toys and put them away.